Good morning to all of you. How are you, students? Thank you. Okay. Now today we have to discuss about the determinants. Determinants is the very most important algebra questions in class 12th. First of all, I am going to explain what do we mean by determinants. What do we mean by determinants? Very simple here. Let any four numbers A, B, C and D are arranged in two rows and two columns in bar. Clear? Bar means modulus, mod here. This is bar, this is modulus, mod. When we have to arrange any four numbers in two row, two column, in a bar, in a modulus, then this is called a determinants. Example, suppose A, B and C, D. And this is vertical line, this is a bar, this is a modulus. And how we can solve? In class 9 or class 10 already have completed cross multiplication methods. Understood? What do you mean by cross multiplication method? If A, B, C, D means here like this one, first and here second. It means AD minus BC. Then AD minus BC. Here, this is a expansion of this determinant. This is a modulus of this determinant. This is a value of this determinant. If this is a first row, second row, means now here R1 is the first row, R2 is the second row. C1 is the first column and C2 is the second column. How many row in this determinants? Same as the matrices. One row, two row, means two row. How many columns? One column, two column. This is two row and this is two column. Clear? Then total number of elements 4. How? 2 into 2. Then here number of elements is equal to product of row and column. Clear? It means 2 into 2 is equal to what? 4. What is order of matrix? Sorry, order of determinants? Order. Order means 2 cross 2. 2 row and 2 column. In this way, we can solve the value of determinants. Then AD minus BC is the expansion of AB. CD means this determinants value, where AB is the elements of first row, CD is the elements of second row, and AC is the elements of first column. BD is the elements of second column. That is first row, second row, first column, second column. Now this is AD minus this is the expansion of this determinant. Understood? Now suppose that example here. Example, suppose 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now suppose this is A. The mod of A means we have to find. This is mod means what? Modulus of A. This bar of A, magnitude of A means what? 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Any problem? This is known as the determinants. In this way we can solve the value. Understood? Now for any numbers A1, B1, A2 and B2. Clear? What we have to do? For any numbers A1, B1, A2, B2, the determinants A1, B1, A2, B2. Clear? We have to arrange in two row, two columns A1 B1 A2 B2 is equal to what? Is equal to A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Means has the value it has value of A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Clear? As you know, before this one already I have told you. Now example means find the value of m. If what? It means 3 m and 4 5 is equal to 3. Very simple. This is a 2 row 2 column. Total numbers are elements is 4. Then 5 into 3 into 5 minus 4 into m is equal to 3, and 50 minus 4m is equal to 3, and 50 minus 3 is equal to 4m. 50 minus 3 means what? 12 is equal to 4m. Therefore 4m is equal to 12, m is equal to 3. Understood? This is a value of m. If determinants 3 m 4 5 is equal to 3 is given, where 3m is the first row, elements of first row, 4 5 is the elements of second row, and 3 4 is the elements of first column, m 5 is the elements of second column, and this is a 2 cross 2 order of determinants. Understood? Here, and second question is how we can find the value of k. Clear? Find the value of k. How we can find the value of k here? And if k 4 and 2k is equal to 0. Same a1 b1 a2 b2 means what? K into 2k minus 4 into k is equal to 0, and 2k square minus 4k is equal to 0. Here 2k is common, and k minus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0, and k minus 2 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to. This is value of k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 2. Understood? Understood? Okay. But if A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 are given. Clear? Was 3 order. First row, second row, and third row. Here first column, second column, third column. What is how many total number of elements? 3 into 3. Number of row 3, number of column 3. 3 into 3 9. Order is R into C, that is 3 into 3. So how we can solve? How we can expand? A1 cancel, B2 C2 B3 C3 minus B1 and A2 C2 A3 C3 plus C1 cancel, A2 B2 A3 B3. Very simple. Take any elements. It is not compulsory. We will take first row, elements of first row. We can take elements of first row, elements of second row, elements of third row, first column, second column, third column. Understood? Clear? Then A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2, B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2, C1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Now this is the value of expansion of 3 cross 3 determinants. Understood? Good. Now you have to see this question. This question is the first question. We have to expand of determinants. Then first of all, sign. Sign means sign of this one, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, like this one. Here plus minus plus plus minus plus, and here minus plus minus plus minus plus. First we have to take 1, cancel 1 minus 1, minus 3 2, minus 3 cancel 4 minus 1 5 2, minus 2 4 1 5 minus 3. After that 1 into 2 minus 3 into minus 1, what? 3 into 1. Clear? Minus 3, 4 into 2 8, minus plus 5, minus 2, minus 12 minus 5. Clear? 1 into 2 2, minus plus into minus sign, minus 3, 4 into 2 8, minus plus 5 into 1 5, minus 2, 4 into minus 3 minus 12, and minus 5. 1 into 2 minus 3, and 8 plus 5 what? 13. Minus 2 17, minus 1 39 plus 34. Then what? 40 minus 40 plus 34 is equal to what? Very simple here. Minus 40 plus 34 is equal to what? Minus 6. Clear? Now this is the value. This is answer. Very simple. We can do. If any elements of 3 cross is given, first of all we can take 1. Hide these elements. 1 minus 1 minus 3 2. Minus 3 cancel 4 minus 1 5 2. Minus 2 cancel 4 1 5 minus 3. Now we can expand. Whatever answer will come, this is answer. See this question. In this question, we have to prove that AHJ, AHBF, GFC is equal to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus H square. We have to prove means simply we have to expand here only. Expand means here left hand side. Clear? AHG, HBF, GFC is equal to what? A cancel BF, FC minus H cancel HF and GC plus G cancel HB and GF. BC minus F square, HC minus GF and HF minus BG. Open the bracket. ABC minus AF square, H square C plus GHF plus GHF minus BG square. Now ABC plus 2 FGH minus F square minus BG square minus H square. Now you can check this is right hand side. Hands proof. Once more here, take A, BF, FC minus H, HF, GC plus A, HB, GF. BC minus F square, SC minus GF, and here SF minus GB. Now we can open, we can expand whatever value will come. Now this is, you can see, right hand side. Understood? Okay? Now I'm going to give homework question based on only how we can expand up 2 cross 2 order and 3 cross 3 order. then expand 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First question. Here, second, P, Q, R, S. Third question, minus 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 7, 5, minus 1, 0. And last question is 1, 3, A, 4, 2, 5, 0, 1, 7 is equal to 10. Then find the value of A. Clear? This is homework questions. Please read complete homework question. This is very important for you. First question, second question, third question, and fourth question. Okay? Thank you very much.